Well, I got the carbs back from the carburetor rebuilder, and I'm gonna get them bolted on here. And I ordered progressive linkage, and I can put it all back together now with the carbs. So I'll show it to you. They've been all re-dichromated, and they match color, which you can't really buy them like that. And he's redone all the plates, and I'm gonna get them on here, and they look really good. And the best thing is they'll just work when I fire it up. Okay, so you can see it. Somebody had painted these gold before. He had to strip them all the way down and dichromate them. Look how close they are in color. Everything was dichromated together, and then all the butterflies were all replated. So I gave them to him knowing that I had plenty of time. I was like, here, keep them for 2 months, whatever. I'm not rushing you, unlike a lot of people with carburetors that drop them off. But I mean, all the bases were all cleaned, and all the dichromating was done. All that gold paint is gone, and they're completely rebuilt. And he ran them both off on a big block Chevrolet that he had. So they're all tuned, ready to go. Basically, and he told me the Elderbrock linkage, progressive linkage to run this. So we're looking real good. I'm gonna put the shotgun scoop on, and we'll see what they look like. So there it is with that shotgun bill scoop on there. It's gonna look really good coming down the road. So the carburetors are all rebuilt. That thing's where it's supposed to be, level with that roof. So another step closer. But good running set of carburetors. Yeah. All right. If you like this kind of stuff, check back in. Have a nice day.